now we've actually got some touch controls. If you watch my last video, I didn't actually copy and paste this over to level 2, but it's something you could just easily do, like in my previous videos when I've done other levels, just copy and paste. You do that same again. But what we now want to do is actually test this on our mobile phones. So how do we do this? Well, if you go to menu and you go in project and remote preview, okay, so click that. There's a pop up of QR codes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scan that. And I'll just show you on the webcam, but that is pretty much my game there. Exactly the same, remote preview. And that's how you test your game on your mobile phone.